Many bank accounts quietly charge monthly maintenance fees, and most people don't even realize how much they add up over time. The good news? These fees are often completely avoidable. In many cases, banks will waive the fee if you meet simple conditions. This could mean keeping a minimum balance, setting up a direct deposit, or using your debit card a certain number of times each month. Some accounts even remove fees automatically if you're a student, senior, or if you upgrade or switch to a different account type. The key is knowing your options, and most banks won't tell you unless you ask. So, take a few minutes today. Call your bank, visit a branch, or check your online account settings. Ask them, what do I need to do to remove my monthly fees? That one phone call could save you hundreds of dollars every year for money you're already earning. Don't let small fees quietly drain your account. Stay informed, stay in control.